To make Greek yogurt, first heat 1 quart 950 milliliters of pasteurized milk over medium-low heat. Stick a food thermometer into the milk every 3 to 5 minutes to monitor the temperature. Once the milk is heated to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius, turn the heat off and wait for the temperature to drop to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 43 degrees Celsius. Then, add 1 packet of yogurt starter. If you'd prefer, you can also use 3 tablespoons, 46 grams, of live yogurt. Stir the milk and yogurt together for 1 minute. Next, pour the mixture into a glass container and put on an airtight oven-safe lid. Place the glass container in the oven and set the oven to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 43 degrees Celsius. If your oven doesn't go this low, set the glass out in the warm sun or turn the light on in your oven and leave the glass container next to it. Let the milk incubate for 5 to 12 hours until the yogurt has thickened and set. Then, remove the glass container from the oven and strain it into a new container using a tea towel or cheesecloth. This will remove the whey and turn your regular yogurt into Greek yogurt. Pour the yogurt from your cheesecloth or towel into a new container and put the lid on. Set the container in your refrigerator for 2 hours before serving or eating your yogurt. To store your Greek yogurt, leave it in the refrigerator with the lid on. Your homemade yogurt will last roughly 2 weeks. You can make a new batch of yogurt by repeating this process with 3 tablespoons, 46 grams, of your initial batch before it goes bad.